Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a lemon inspired by summer. So let's get started. To draw this cool lemon, let's first start by drawing a little hump on top of the head. So about right here, I'm just going to go up, and about right here, I'll just round it off and then come right back down. Then from there, I'm going to start to draw the body of the lemon. So I'm just going to bring this down. And same thing over here. So we want a nice juicy lemon, right? And plump. So I'm just going to keep going. And it's all up to you how tall or plump you want your lemon. I'm just going to draw this general lemon. So say about right here. Keep bringing it down towards the bottom. Nice big oval with these two humps at the top and bottom. So say about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw another little hump right here and connect there. So now we are sure this is a lemon, right? And go ahead and fix that, and then from there I'm gonna come to the top right here and I'll draw a stem right on the top, and then I'm going to draw this leaf. I thought it'd be really cute to add some color as well as some to make it look like hair perhaps. So we're just going to curve that out and then bring it right back in to draw a leaf, and then I'll just go ahead and lightly draw the center of our leaf. Little curve there. And then now to bring it to life, so if you wanted to just draw a lemon, this would be it. But now to make it a drastic cute lemon, let's come towards the center, about in this area right here. And I'm going to draw a little curve right here in the center. And I'll thicken it up for some glasses for the center. And I'm going to come out and draw a big oval for glasses. So you can play around with whatever shape glasses you want. I'm just going to simplify this one right here and just draw a big oval. There. And then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to follow our outside for some rims and say right here as well. And then I'll come to the sides right here and just pop it out. Right in about here, center. From there, I'm going to come in this area, and just so you can see a little better, I'll just draw a little highlight right here and shade everything else in black. So we know these are sunglasses and not just a pair of glasses, right? Because we must stay cool in the sun. I really hope you've been loving all these cute little silly drawings I've been doing lately for summer, inspired by summer. And definitely let me know in the comments below if you have any other ideas that you want to see. What other fruit perhaps for summer? I've done a watermelon and a pineapple. Okay, so now that we have our pair of glasses in, I'm going to come above each eye, so go right here and just draw a soft curve. And then let's come in the center in this area right here, and I'll just draw a sweet little mouth and that curls up into a tongue because it's very yum. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the bottom. We're going to draw some cute little legs. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve that kind of comes in a little bit. And same thing here, it just kind of curves in a little bit. And then we're going to add this little ovalish shape right here for some feet. And flatten it out at the bottom. So same thing here. So it's more towards this side. And flatten it up. And then I'll come in this area right here and just draw these two curves to make our lemon look like it's wearing flip-flops. And I'll thicken this up. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now I have the feet in. Let's go ahead and draw the hands. So on this side, I'll just bring it down to about right here. I thought it'd be really cute for our lemon to be holding a bucket. I was originally going to make it a bucket with like maybe for sand on the beach, but now I thought about it, I thought it'd be really cute. So I'm gonna come about right here and draw a curve right here. And then in this area, you can just thicken it up to make it look like the lemon is holding it. Right there. And then in the bucket right here, I'm just going to connect it with a curve and bring it out. So like I said, I was going to make this like put in a little shovel or something, but I thought it'd be really cute. Let's add some strawberries in here. So when you color it, just make it red so we know it's strawberries. Add some little dots because we're making strawberry lemonade. Definitely want that for summer, right? Yum. Okay, and then let's add a little heart right here on the bucket. There, so silly. And then from on this side, let's come over here. The other hand is holding an ice cream cone. So about right here, I'll just go up. And in this area right here, I'm just going to draw the cone. So I'm going to come in with an angle, curve for the top of our cone, and then bring it down. About right here, I'll stop and draw 3 ovals for the hands. And one more. Continue this and connect for our cone. And then we're going to pop this out for our ice cream. One and then another one. Maybe those soft serve ice creams, right? And then you can also add lots of sprinkles or whatever you want to put on your ice cream. There. And I'll lightly draw some lines here so we know it's a cone for sure. And let's see, what else are we missing? We could add some dots right here. Or you can do this when you're coloring. So just gonna give our lemon some texture and make it a little bit bigger so it's more prominent. And that is pretty much it for this cute, silly lemon that is ready to celebrate summer. I really hope you loved this drawing and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.